Okay, good afternoon, one and all. In the last lecture, we have discussed about how to find a circular convolution using concentric circle method as well as matrix method. Hope everyone understood that. Anybody has any question on calculating circular convolution using concentric circle method and matrix method? Yes? Anybody?
No, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, the third method we will discuss is finding a circular convolution using DFT and IDFT method. Already we know what is DFT and what is IDFT. Can anyone tell me what is DFT? What is DFT? Who will tell me the answer? Yes. Anybody? Come fast. What is DFT? DFT का क्या मतलब है? What is full form of DFT? What is full form of DFT? आवाज आ रहा है मेरा? Is my voice is coming properly?
Discrete Fourier transform and inverse discrete Fourier transform.
Very good. DFT stands for discrete Fourier transform and IDFT stands for inverse discrete Fourier transform. So already we know how to calculate DFT and already we know how to calculate IDFT, right? So here let us take one example. Just write down the example. With example we will go. By means of DFT and IDFT, by means of DFT and IDFT, by means of DFT and IDFT, determine the sequence x3 of n, determine the sequence x3 of n corresponding to the circular convolution of the sequence, corresponding to the circular convolution of the sequence, corresponding to the circular convolution of the sequence. What are our previous sequence? वही sequence लेके calculate करेंगे हम. We will do that with that same sequence. Can anyone tell me what are those sequences? x1 का value क्या था? What is value of x1? Quickly, can anyone tell me what is value of x1? We have taken in the previous example. Same value we will take.
4, 3, 5, 2.
This is 4, 3,
3, 5, 2.
2.
X2.
And x2 is
3, 4, 1, 2.
3, 4, 1, 2. Okay. So for this, using DFT and IDFT, as we need to find a circular convolution. So first let us write down the steps. So first क्या करना है हमें? First determine the DFT of the given sequences. First determine the DFT of the given sequences. Determine the DFT of the given sequences and multiply both the DFT and multiply both the DFTs. That is, we are writing it as y of k is equals to, we are writing it is y of k is equals to y of k equals to x of k into h of k. Y of k equals to x of k into h of k. The next is use IDFT to find. Please note down these steps. Use IDFT to find y of n use IDFT to find y of n, that is convolved sequence. That is convolved sequence, and this is the formula which we are using to find the IDFT. This is the formula which we are using to find the IDFT. Y of n equals to IDFT of x of k into h of k. So let us follow the steps. First you write here. Let's follow the steps first. To find x of k. To find x of k. Or let's write x1 of k. To find x1 of k, as we know x1 of n, we need to find x1 of k. First we need to find x1 of k. How do we find x1 of k? Is by using matrix method. So matrix method क्या है यहाँ पे अभी? Okay, we will solve it separately itself so that you can understand properly. बाद में मैं यहाँ पे दिखा देता हूँ आपको. So let's find it separately. So let me take this part. To find x1 of k, find
आपणारे लोक पाहिगा कोण म्हणते का ऑर्डर कोण ऑर्डर त्याला त्याला देऊ बघून घे त्याला का वर्षाला मागते घेऊ ना देऊ सुटते त्यात आता पहिलं बी केले पण आता कसं होतं
कौन है भाई?
ते ठीक आहे ना बामणांना कधी कोणाला
Find x1 of k. Please unmute your
जेवायला किंवा महाप्रसाद घ्यायला द्या त्याला 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 सांगत
शिवानी अटकाळे. Okay, to find x1 of k, what is the procedure we are having? Can anyone tell me? Procedure क्या है इसका अभी? What is the formula we are having? Formula क्या है इसका? DFT का formula क्या है? x1 of k is equals to, hello, what is the formula of DFT? Hello, am I audible? आवाज आ रहा है मेरा? हेलो, Chavan is there? Chavan Vaishnavi.
यस सर.
आवाज आ रहा है मैडम मेरा?
हाँ यस सर.
तो मुझे फार्मूला बता सकते हैं आप DFT का? What is the formula of DFT? What is the formula of DFT? Is Wn to the power k into x1 of n. This is in matrix form, right? In matrix form, we have this formula. So this I can write it as x1 of j. This I can write it as x1 of 0 x1 of 0, x1 of 1, x1 of 2, and x1 of 3 will be equals to, or else simply we will write it as x1 of k is equals to, we will write this x1 of 0 afterwards. This will be equals to, how we are writing a matrix for this, as it is a 4 point, we will write the matrix for 4 point. तो 4 पॉइंट का मैट्रिक्स कैसा लिखते हैं हम यहाँ पे? फर्स्ट रो ऑल वंस and column all ones. Then what we write here? कोई बता सकते हैं मुझे? Yes. How we will write a matrix? This is minus j minus 1 and this is plus j. This is minus 1 1 minus 1. And what about this? This is j minus 1 and minus j, which is multiplied by what is given input sequence? x1 of n का वैल्यू क्या था? हेलो, what is x1 of n?
4 3 5 2.
4 3 5 2. Can you do this multiplication and tell me the answer? Please do this and tell me the answer. Or what is the
Yes.
answer?
14 minus 1 minus j 4 minus 2 plus 3.
Let me write. Let me write your answer. 14. Yes.
Minus 1 minus j
Minus 1 minus j.
4
Huh.
minus 1 plus j.
Okay. How many of you have got this answer? कितने लोगों को मिला ये आंसर? बाकी लोग है या चले गए वहां पे? यस, how many of you have got this answer? हेलो, कितने लोगों को मिला ये आंसर?
Yes.
ओके,
Yes, sir.
only 3 members. What about others?
Yes, sir.
4 members. अरे यार थोड़ा बातें करते जाओ तो मुझे भी अच्छा लगता है. Yes, I understand this is afternoon time, but we need to be alert ना. असं नाही की मग तुम्ही बोलतच नाही काय, पण मग कसं कसं चालणार? चलो, can you calculate for the second value? This is for the first value. x1 of k equals to we got 14 minus 1 minus j 4 minus 1 plus j. ठीक है, तो अभी similarly we calculate for x2 of k and tell me the answer. Please calculate for x2 of k. This we will write x2 of k. यहाँ पे मैं लिखता हूँ इसको अभी x2 of k I will write x2 of k, and then we will write this as x2 of k as the formula here, x2 of k, and here multiplication will be x2 of n, and here these values we need to replace. And this is also we need to replace. Matrix आपला same राहणार इथं. You need to remember this matrix will remain same. Only the input term will get changed. With respect to that, our output will get changed. What is second equation? Second equation काय होता आपला? x2 of n
3, 4, 1, 2.
3, 4, 1, 2. Just calculate the values and tell me the answer. If anybody has any questions, you can ask me.
10, 2 minus 2j minus 2, 2 plus 2j.
10, 2 minus 2j
2j minus 2,
minus 2,
2 plus 2j.
2 plus 2j. यहाँ पे आपको और एक चीज याद रखना है, राइट? ये पॉइंट देखो, दिस पॉइंट एंड दिस पॉइंट, आर दे कॉम्प्लेक्स कॉन्जुगेट?
Yes.
हाँ, अगर आपका आंसर ऐसा आ रहा है तो आपको इट इज यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड दैट यस वी आर गेटिंग द करेक्ट आंसर. अगर ये नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ पे, इफ इट इज नॉट फॉलोइंग दिस फॉर्मेट, देन वी हैव टू बी थिंक दैट और वी हैव टू रीथिंक ऑन द आंसर. कहीं तो अपना गलत हो रहा है, राइट? तो ये आंसर सही है गलत है हमें इधर इधर ही पता चलता है. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड x2 of k. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द फर्दर पार्ट. चला रहा बेट? क्लीन कर सकता हूँ इसको अभी?
Yes, sir.
What it is asked is next step क्या करना है हमें? To take a product, we need to take multiplication of x1 of k and x2 of k to find the value of y of k. Here we will write to find y of k. To find y of k, we will write y of k is equals to x1 of k into x2 of k. x1 of k into x2 of k. अभी x1 ऑफ क्या था आपका वैल्यू? कैन यू टेल मी अगेन द वैल्यू ऑफ x1 ऑफ k?
14 minus
4
1
minus 1
minus 1 minus j
minus j
4
4
minus 1 plus j
minus 1 plus j. Okay. Then x2 of k.
10
Huh.
2 minus 2j
2 minus 2j
minus 2
minus 2
2 plus 2
2 plus 2j. Right. Now just take a direct product here as it is 1 by 1 column. So we can write 14 into 10, 140.
140
Right. Or else directly I will write it here itself. तो इधर सामने लिखता हूं मैं इसका 14 into 10 आएगा 140. 140. Okay. And then you take a product of this. It's like minus 1 minus j into 2 minus 2j. तो इसका अगर प्रोडक्ट लिखना है तो अभी हम करेंगे इसको यहाँ पे. So first we will multiply with minus 1. So minus 1 into 2 minus 2 minus into minus plus minus 1 into 2j, it is 2j, then minus 2j minus into minus plus 2j square. बराबर. ये दोनों का प्रोडक्ट कर रहा हूं मैं अभी. जस्ट डायरेक्ट प्रोडक्ट वी आर टेकिंग. ठीक है. एंड देन -8 और उसके बाद -1 तो ये -2 j आ गया. So multiply with -1, then plus 2j, then again plus 2j square, plus 2j square. Okay. मल्टीप्लिकेशन बराबर है या कुछ गलत हुआ यहाँ पे? Are you with me?
yes sir
Okay. So now let us simplify this again. तो इसको अगर सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे आप, so if you simplify this, we'll get it is 140. Somewhere it is. Then this plus 2
minus 2 plus 2j square.
get cancel और ये -2 plus 2j square है. j square का वैल्यू क्या आता है आपका? -1. Right. j square is equals to, we know that we are writing it as -1. So j square is equals to -1. तो यहाँ पे -1 आ गया तो -2 it will be -4. बराबर. Then again this is -8. Then again here this plus -2j get cancels and here it is 2j square. Again it is -2, so it will be -4. So our value is y of k equals to 140 -4 -8 and -4. Understood? This is our step 3 we can call. Can call it as a step 3. Hope you understood this. Any difficulty here or anybody has question?
No, sir.
Okay. Now with this we need to find y of n. So abhi y of n, hope you have noted this part. सब लोगों ने लिख लिए?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's find y of n. Let's find y of n. Next, you just write to find y of n. To find y of n. To find y of n. Y of n is here time domain function. So we need to find a circular convolution. So that is what we have to write is y of n is equals to IDFT of, that formula is IDFT of x1 of k into x2 of k. x1 of k into x2 of k. So this will be equals to, what is the formula we are having is y of n is equals to IDFT का formula क्या है? It is 1 by n into wn to the power minus k into, अभी ये complete what I told. So this complete part I call it as y of k. So let me write it as y of k. So which will be equals to 1 by 4 to wn to the power minus k. How we are writing a matrix for this? Matrix क्या रहता है इसका? This first row and first column will be same. This is same. This minus j था, यहाँ पे plus j आएगा. This is -1 and this is minus j. This is -1, 1, -1, and this will become minus j, -1 and plus j, which is multiplied with the term y of k का वैल्यू कितना आया? I think somewhere it's getting wrong. Correct? Okay. This is correct. Now, तो यहाँ पे इसका what is the value we got there? It's 140. कितना आया था वैल्यू वो? I think it's -4, -8 and -4. चलो इसको simplify करो and tell me the answer. This will be 1 by 4 multiplied with, just simplify and tell me the answer. Anybody has any question here up to this part? किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन है? Please ask if you have a question. Yes, anybody got the answer? कितना आ रहा आंसर यहाँ पे? कोई बता सकते क्या मुझे आंसर? Hope everyone is calculating. Hello. Sudarshan, are you there? सुदर्शन सुरवसे,
हाँ यस सर।
कितना आया आंसर?
सर
एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व कर रहे हैं?
हाँ सर।
हाँ, कितना आ रहा है बोलो? फर्स्ट पॉइंट क्या आएगा?
140
140 आ रहा है? 140 -4 -8 -4, तो कितना माइनस हो रहा है 140 में?
So final answer is 31, 37, 35, 37.
Okay, final answer you are telling, but can you tell me this middle answer?
124,
This is 124,
148,
148,
140,
140,
148.
148. So finally, what we got it is
31,
31,
37,
37.
35,
Hmm.
37.
37. Is it same as our previous answer? पहले का आंसर इतना ही था क्या अपना? I am taking the same sequence for different
Yes, sir.
methods. Okay.
Same answer.
Same answer है मतलब you can use any method for calculating our circular convolution. You can use either concentric circle method, or else you can use matrix method, or else you can use the DFT IDFT method to find a circular convolution. If it is asked in the examination with a specific method, if he is asked you to calculate a circular convolution using concentric circle method, matlab sirf you need to perform with concentric circle method. If he is asking you to find the example or solve the example of circular convolution using DFT IDFT method, then you have to perform the example with DFT IDFT method only. Then only you will get the marks. Otherwise, you will not get the marks. Right? So this is how about DFT IDFT we are performing. You please note down one question and you just try it afterwards, so that you will get a practice on that part. Hope everyone understood here. Any question or any problem in this part?
No, sir.
Boy side, can anyone give me the response? कोणी सांगू शकाल का मला? Any difficulty? Boys, आहेत का कोणी तिथं? का आता नाव घेऊन बोलल्यावरच बोलणार तुम्ही?
नो सर.
काय क्वेश्चन नाही का कळाल नाही?
नो डिफिकल्टी.
Okay, very good. So let us summarize this. तो DFT IDFT मेथड में हम क्या कर रहे हैं अभी? For to find a circular convolution using DFT IDFT method, DFT and IDFT method, how we are performing or how we are summarizing this is step 1 क्या है अपना? What is step 1? Step 1 is
IDFT,
find
find
DFT. No, madam. Find DFT.
DFT.
DFT of first sequence. ठीक है? DFT of first sequence. उसे हम क्या बोल रहे हैं? Whatever may be the notation, either it may be x of n, y of n, h of n, x of k, whatever it is. First sequence, let us take x of n. Sorry, ठीक है ना? X of n. Okay. Step 2 क्या है अपना? Step 2 is find the
Find
DFT of
second sequence.
find the DFT of second sequence. Find the DFT of second sequence. Let's take it is h of n or x of n, कोई भी रहने दो. Step 3,
Multiply both the sequence.
multiplication of two DFTs, right? Multiplication of two DFTs. Of two DFTs we can call it is DFTs. इसको क्या बोल रहे हैं हम? Y of k equals to, I am calling it as, in this case, x of k into h of k. ठीक है? What is step 4?
Take IDFT of y of k.
Step 4 is to find circular convolution. To find circular convolution, matlab we are converting again frequency domain to time domain to find circular convolution. To find circular convolution, take IDFT of y of k. Right? This is what the steps for DFT and IDFT method. याद रहेगा अभी? Can you remember this?
Yes, sir.
So far, just you need to follow the steps properly, right? So this is how about the steps to be followed for the DFT and IDFT. So let me give you some examples for your practice purpose. Please note down the examples. I think last day also I have given one example. I don't know how many of you have done it. कौन किए है वो? Anybody has done it? The last example. Which example I have given? कोई help करेंगे मुझे? What is the example I have given last time? तो आप लोग नहीं कर रहे इसका मतलब. So now I have to make it mandatory. Please write down the question. Find circular convolution. Find circular convolution of the following sequences. Find circular convolution of the following sequences. Following sequences. Following sequences. X1 of n is equals to x1 of n is equals to 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 and x2 of n equals to and x2 of n equals to x2 of n is equals to second sequence is 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. This is first question. And the second question is second question is x1 of n is equals to x1 of n is equals to 2 3 1 1 2 3 1 1 and x2 of n equals to x2 of n equals to 1 x2 of n equals to 1 3 5 3 x2 of n equals to 1 3 5 3 using first one concentric circle method, using concentric circle method, second matrix approach method, and third one is DFT-ID method, DFT-IDFT method, DFT and IDFT method. So you have to solve these two questions by using all the methods so that we can understand how to find a circular convolution using DFT and IDFT method. Can you do this part?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
In tomorrow's lecture, I'm going to check randomly with anybody's notes. So you please keep ready with your answers. So this is all about how to find the circular convolution. Then next, let me take. So for today, we will stop it here because I need to cover the properties that I will take it tomorrow. Okay. So let me stop here. We will continue with the attendance part and we'll close the session.